subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I wanted to do a very fall inspired makeup look for you guys, and this is what I came up with. I feel like it is the epitome of fall. We have some golds, we have berries, we have a vampy lip, it's smoky. So I feel like it is very fall inspired, and I'm just so excited for fall. I love fall makeup, and it's finally cooling off here, so I'm really excited about that. So for this look, I decided to use a new palette that I got from Morphe, and it's the 35V, and I really love it. I really love Morphe's eyeshadows in general. I feel like they have really great quality, but yeah, these are all the different colors, and I have some other awesome products to share with you guys as well. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then of course all you have to do is keep watching. So y'all already know that I'm going to do my eyeshadow first. Y'all already know how it goes. So I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Primer. So I've been using it a few weeks now, and it seems to work really well, but I'm not really picky whenever it comes to eyeshadow primers. I really just need something that's going to help the eyeshadow last a little bit longer, and this definitely seems to do the job. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this Morphe 35V, V as in Vicky. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this palette, and I'm definitely just going to go with something that's warm with a little bit of chocolate brown in the crease. I really love chocolate browns for the fall time. So I always like to start off with a neutral crease color because it works well as a transitional shade, and it always helps me blend my other shadows a little bit better. So I'm gonna be using this very light neutral color. And I'm just sweeping this back and forth in my crease using this fluffy brush from Morphe. This is actually the E27. So I really love to layer my eyeshadow, so I'm gonna use a neutral shade that's a little bit darker than the first one I applied. And with this color, I'm really being sure to pull it into the inner crease. So I'm taking it from inner crease to outer crease, and I'm making sure that I blend it really well. For the lid color, I want something that's champagne, but I also want something that's gold, but I don't want it to be too gold, so I'm gonna mix two of the shades in the palette. And I'm just packing this color all over my lid. And it's giving really great color payoff, and as you guys can tell, there's not really any fallout, so that's always a plus. And for the crease, I wanted a kind of chocolate brown color, so I'm gonna be using the darkest brown that's available in the palette. It's not really as dark as I want it to be, and it actually has a little bit of like a burgundy undertone, but we're just gonna go with it. And now I'm just going over everything, making sure that there's no harsh lines. And for my mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I really like this mascara. I love the wand of it. So the lashes I'm going to be wearing today are from a brand I found on Instagram. It's called Baddie, and the style I'm wearing is called Extra. I really like these lashes, you guys. They feel very comfortable and lightweight. A lot of the times with lashes like this, sometimes the band can be a little bit uncomfortable, but I really like these. But anyways, moving on to the face, I'm gonna go ahead and prime. So I'm gonna be using this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Primer because y'all already know I got some large pores, so I always like to try different products that are going to help minimize them. I really like how this primer feels on the skin. It goes on really smooth like butter. Y'all, I have been so obsessed with this NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. It's really great, and I'm in the shade Cadiz. Whenever I used this in my last Get Ready With Me video, I didn't mention that, so a lot of you wanted to know, but yes, I used the shade Cadiz. And then to highlight, I'm just using this Clinique concealer in the shade Medium 20. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just set that concealer, and I'm using this Hourglass powder, which I really have been enjoying. I'm not really going to bake it, just gonna kind of set it. And then just sweep it away. So no matter what, I always have to bronze up the skin just a little bit, and I absolutely love this Guerlain Terracotta bronzer. I cannot stress that enough. If you're looking for a really great bronzer, I would highly recommend this one. I use the shade 07, and I've had it forever, but as you guys can tell, I still have a good little bit left. And then on top of the bronzer, I always like to go in and contour. I really love the Makeup Geek contouring powders. You guys probably have heard me mention them before. I use them in almost every tutorial. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just contour a little bit. And for my blush, I'm gonna be using this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Natural Red Brown. And I'm just gonna apply it to the apples of my cheeks. You do not want to apply a lot of this to your brush because it is very pigmented. And for a little bit of glow, I'm gonna be using this Milani product. So it says it's a bronzer, but it's kind of light, so I'm just gonna highlight with it. It's in the shade Glow. I like that this isn't like too over the top. It gives you more of a kind of glow from within. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes. So to the under eye, I'm just going to kind of smoke it out a little bit, and then I also want to add a little bit of eyeliner. Just applying a little bit of mascara, but I'm trying to make it as dramatic as possible so that it can kind of balance out the eyeshadow I applied underneath the lash line. So for the lip color, I wanted to go with a berry red lip, so I'm going to be using this lip liner by ColourPop, and this is in the shade Poison, and it's just a dark berry color. And then the lip color I'm applying is also by ColourPop, and it's in the shade Sissy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the products that I talked about throughout the tutorial, everything is linked and listed below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!